Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 27th of February, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since February 24, 2025, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.07. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 6.1%. This results in an average daily loss of 1.52% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 1.27% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 1.27% to 24.01%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 20.62%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 17.87% to 48.82% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $200.63 and $253.30. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google stock price down 2.57% on Thursday. The Google stock price fell by 2.57% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 27th of February, 2025, dropping from $174.70 to $170.21. It has now experienced a decline for 6 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.03%, with a low of $169.75 and a high of $176.59. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 8.21% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 26 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.39 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $208.70, while the lowest was $131.55. Currently, the price stands at 18.44%, or $38.49, below the 52-week high, and 93.26%, or $2,356.78, below the all-time high reached on June 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,526.99. Google has made headlines today with significant developments impacting its operations and stock outlook. The company announced layoffs in its human resources and cloud divisions as part of ongoing cost-cutting measures. By offering buyouts and trimming staff in less critical areas, Google aims to reallocate resources toward vital sales and engineering roles. This strategic shift may initially create uncertainty, but in the long run, it could bolster efficiency and profitability. On a more positive note, Waymo, Google's autonomous vehicle subsidiary, has reported that it has doubled its weekly robotaxi rides, now exceeding 200,000. This growth underscores Waymo's solid market position and its competitive edge against traditional ride-sharing services. Analysts project its valuation could surge to between $350 billion and $850 billion by the year 2030, which would significantly enhance Alphabet's shareholder value if it ever considers a spin-off. However, Alphabet is also facing challenges, including a Canadian regulator's decision to impose fees for news content on its platforms, potentially adding regulatory costs. These varied dynamics could create volatility in the short term, impacting investor sentiment. In the longer term, if Google can effectively manage its growth strategies while navigating regulatory hurdles, it may improve its stock performance, particularly fueled by advancements in its cloud and Waymo divisions. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, February 20th, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned a buy rating to GOOG along with a hold action. On Wednesday, February 5, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned an overweight rating to GOOG with a hold action. On Wednesday, February 5, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned a buy rating to GOOG with a hold action. On Wednesday, February 5, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned a buy rating to GOOG with a hold action. On Wednesday, February 5, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned a buy rating to GOOG with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Google stock an overall buy rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Google. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Google stock displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $179.84 and $191.97. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 4, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 18.05%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, warranting closer observation of the stock. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger Bands provide a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 74 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and when paired with favorable trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $6.84 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 4.03%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.94%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.04. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at 192.96. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 17th of June, 2024, when R. Martin Chavez conducted an insider purchase of 5 shares of Class C Google stock units. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad, declining trend. Therefore, we believe its performance will likely remain weak in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 28th of February, we anticipate Google will open higher by $1.97, starting at $172.18. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you accept and are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.